Annyeong, hello, it's me, Zati said. Today is day 1 of Bug Invasion 5. The last time I went to their event, I did a poll and they voted me as krumper. So today we will be going to Rose's workshop. Gajah! The weather's pretty good today. Anyway, I don't know much about her, but the only thing I saw of her is that she was gonna kampai a big cup of sugarcane juice, and I really thought she was gonna one-shot it, so that was very funny. I haven't really been doing a lot of krumping actually since then. I only managed to go to Osaka and see the krump shop there, and then also I finally debuted at a all styles battle event trying to use krump. So other than that, I haven't been getting results. But right now what's important is one foot ahead of the other. I can't find a place, and I'm from this country. My bad. What's new? Fighting is at its own. And we here at BBC. We good. Must believe in yourself. If I can't find a workshop, I'll just join them. I'm gonna follow him because he looks like a krumper. We made it. It's so little. We're here. You can't see, damn it. I'm on the next level. Damn it. It's pink. I just realized I can take it at the door. I'm on the next level. Yeah. And she also agrees that she is pretty.
Let me know if you want to ask something about today, because my English is not so perfect. So let me know. And other things, it's a little bit my style, but I've been learning from greatest from overseas.
Woo!
So
The Japan class is actually more difficult. I feel like a lot of emphasis on you and whatever you want, which means what am I gonna do? I don't know. And real feeling.
to you guys, what I thinking
Important, correct.
yeah, but you can, like I said, you can choose it. You can choose it because it's fun. If you don't like it, something, you don't have to do it. But if you can do anything, you can get more better. Yeah,
Okay.
don't forget it. Okay, thank you.
Workshop is over. The rest are going to the next studio for the session. But even in the class, the session was actually freaking lit. Oh my gosh. Everyone was just very bugged, and I missed the krump energy, so it was really good. I will work on the things that I'm supposed to work on. I think that it's cute that they always say thank you for coming when technically they are the ones who came to Singapore to share their knowledge. By the way, happy Halloween! See you tomorrow for day 2. Serious.